we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Plus, the 3 Kids books is time to get re-educated. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And cryptos did take a pullback, but we are moving up. But we know Bakkt is here, and Bakkt normally lasts for 4 days, guys. So we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then after that, we normally move up. But we're going to run into futures. We normally get a week between Bakkt and futures. This month, we're not. So guys, make sure you're definitely paying attention to the actual indicators as volume, Tether, USDC, plus the Fed, guys. We know that now they're doing over $1 billion to manipulate Treasury yield. So we definitely see the manipulation. Now, yesterday, we had Grayscale sell some assets. They may have picked some up today, but make sure you keep your eye on Grayscale because we know that is the big whale, and then also that Bitcoin trust. Now, we had Gary Gensler come out and says DeFi is not immune to SEC oversight. Guys, we know SEC hasn't done anything whatsoever. All the illegal activity that we see on a daily basis, whether it's in the stock market or cryptos, SEC has done nada. We know they're there for the banks to do the illegal activity. Then also, guys, we have 62% of Robinhood Q2 crypto revenue was from Dogecoin trading. And we know Dogecoin helped with a lot of that adoption. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Coinbase goes live in Japan in partnership with banking giant MUFG. And guys, you know, on this channel, I'll give you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but what does it do? That's right, it sets you free. And the crypto teachers always taught you that the Asian connection is about to rise. In America, the Babylon is about to fall. Because it makes no sense for Coinbase to be over in Japan unless you watch my videos, Society 5.0. We've planned it all in California. Please go watch the video, guys. So therefore, you understand the whole picture that's going on. The fact is that Asia is going to be leading us into this 4th industrial revolution. And of course, the United States is going to be the follower and not the leader. But the United States has funded all this technology in the emerging markets. Now we have Coinbase has amassed $4 billion war chest for the crypto winter. And guys, it doesn't matter whether you're in the stock market or in cryptos. Those who understand finances know that we're going to go through a downturn. The only thing you have to do is look at our current economy, and we see the Fed holding up everything. And when they start tapering, it's going to be a controlled collapse on its way over to the digital economy. Now we have Galaxy Digital and Bloomberg team up with launching a DeFi Index tracker fund. And guys, we know when it comes to the legacy market, everything that you see in the legacy market is being just tokenized and put on blockchain. We have Evolve funds filed for a crypto ETF in Canada, and we know Canada already has ETFs, but it has not affected the price, guys. Also, we have VanEck adds an ETF application with Ethereum Futures filings. And guys, we're seeing the ETFs that are being filed in America are all centered around the price, all centered around the casino. Yes, they've been trying to get a Bitcoin ETF, but that's not being approved. So now they're doing products centered around the actual price. Now we have Jay Clayton joins Fireblock's advisory board. And guys, as we know, Jay Clayton started the SEC lawsuit with Ripple, but it's just funny how he's getting in with Bitcoin, getting on these crypto boards, because he knows the actual direction this economy is headed. Now we have United Wholesale Mortgage, the second largest U.S. mortgage lender, will accept crypto payments this year. And again, guys, we're seeing more and more adoption. And lastly, guys, we have Michael Saylor retweets this article. Bitcoin Lightning Network growth passes new milestone. So all of a sudden, we had Michael Saylor speaking about Bitcoin. We had Elon Musk speaking about Bitcoin. And then all of a sudden, they started going over the Bitcoin Lightning. Guys, we know the Bitcoin Lightning is for those micro payments for the actual globe. But like I stated, that hidden message, remember what crypto means, that hidden message, that hidden meaning means that this Bitcoin Lightning Network is for automation. It's not for us. It's for the robots, the algorithms, the drones. That's what this is for. We know the New World Order has planned this out a long time ago, guys. Please wake your friends and family, especially when you see the Taliban situation, them putting China and Russia in it. Guys, get your friends and family educated. And I know you guys always say they don't want to listen. Guess what? They have to listen. The reason why, because you're going to need them. You're going to need them bad. Guys, spread these videos because we are close to the main event. And we know what that main event is, especially if you have my New World Order book. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, that own stocks is C-Red, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team. Save the Village. Part 2. King Yahshua and Grandma King save New York. From COVID 33, Part 3. King Yahshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.